Over to stocks and news then, and Megha is here to highlight a few. Megha.
Thanks for that, Aisha. Well, a lot of names that are in focus, that are going to be in focus this morning. First up would be Cairn India. In fact, the Cairn India ONGC joint venture has commenced commercial gas production from the Rajasthan block. In fact, the initial commercial volumes are expected to be around 15 mmcsmd. The production has, of course, commenced from the Aishwarya gas field. The current volumes, remember, from Aishwarya are around 10,000 barrels per day, and the gross investment into this whole venture is expected to be around 18,000 crore rupees. And Cairn is in fact going to be investing close to 6,000 crore rupees in exploration of the Rajasthan gas block in FY14. In addition to that, the promoter Vedanta Group, that's Anil Agarwal, has said that we need quick approvals to expedite the investments into the centre, and he's also hopeful that the oil ministry would be giving forth all clearances shortly as well in a time-bound manner. Not just that, Cairn India, of course, is planning to invest about $2 billion over the next few years to scale up gas production. The other stock in news, and this one's from the FMCG pack, we've got a Nestle, and post-market hours on Friday, we had news coming in that they're going to be hiking royalty rate to by about 0.2% per year for the next 5 years. And analysts believe that this would have an earnings impact of between 1 to 2% for calendar year 14 as well as calendar year 15. The hike, in fact, first time around would be coming into effect from January of 2014, and it is going to come across in a staggered manner. The royalty rates on exports also will be now aligned to 4.5%, but do keep in mind that Nestle, of course, is a very low volume stock, so all trades need to be taken up on a cautious manner, if at all. For another mid-cap name that's going to be in focus today is Eskomars. Remember that this textile major has been dealing with a very high debt burden. In fact, one of the ways of reducing debt has been its subsidiary, that's Reed and Taylor. The company was planning to IPO this particular division, but now news reports suggest that they will be looking at selling off this unit.